In this video, we are going to show you how to optimize productivity systems using Poppy AI. Now, whether you're creating YouTube videos or you're doing articles or other tasks, you just need the one board and not rehash or not delete each board every time you're finished, because you can just group things together and just use the same template, the same board to create other things. What does that mean? So a lot of people, when they start out, they just paste here, connect there, right? And then just delete. The easiest way to optimize your productivity if you're using Poppy is by grouping stuff, which means you need to create groups by clicking this. And as you can see, we created a new group, right? And just label it for whatever use it's going to be for you. For example, if we are going to create, say, a blog or a video guide about, say, Path of Exile, this is the example we're going to use right now. So I have several groups or quote-unquote folders here for each task. So what does that mean? I have pieces here that is going to be very important, and I don't need to discard them after I'm done. So instead of just like going to YouTube and getting these, and then after I'm done deleting the entire thing, I just need to create a group that says videos, right? I have a group that says websites, and then I have, if I'm creating a script, file script, or file document, or file article, whatever it is, or however you pretty much brand stuff, and then generated media, if you're creating content, right? Just paste it in each group. For example, if it's here, you know it's connected to the group, and the chatbot of Poppy will read it, is because if I move the group, it stays in it, right? So that goes for guides on websites, that goes for file script and generated media. So how do we do this? If I'm going to make a video about how to play, or beginner's guide for, well, beginners in playing Path of Exile 2 in 2026, these are older videos, right? I'm just going to ask it to create me a script for beginner's guide to playing Path of Exile in 2026, right? Use the video group and its contents and the website group and its contents to create a comprehensive script for me. After you're done, save the document to the file script group, right? So that's what's going to happen. Is it's Poppy's chat will use these two groups, right? Use this one and this one to create a script. And once it's done, since I ordered it or I prompted it to save it here, it's going to save the document here. Now, once you're done and you're satisfied, most of the time you're not going to be satisfied. You're going to tweak it until you're fine with it. After that, you can now start generating media. So what does that mean? You can generate images, right? And you can prompt it, hey, create images using the same media that we have here on these two groups as source material, and save it here on the generated media group, right? Now, once you're done with it, once you're satisfied with your project here, you just don't delete your board here. You can just delete each of these, right? And then delete the script that you created, delete the images that you created. And this can be used for your next project, for your next content, without starting from scratch, without creating a new board. This is how you streamline and optimize and make your productivity much more efficient on Poppy AI. And if you are interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I will see you on the next video.